अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है शिजा बुखारी और आप देख रहे हैं स्कार्स टू हील। अनफॉर्चुनेटली जिस सोसाइटी का हम हिस्सा हैं उसमें every single person is judged by their appearances. In this society, if you wear glasses, you're termed as a nerd. If you wear braces, you're termed as a genius. And if you have a dark complexion, you're termed as ugly. But the thing is, having a dark complexion does not make you ugly, but your way of thinking and your character surely does. In our society, we're oftenly and constantly judged again and again, no matter what the reason is. And such judgments and such criticism leaves us with scars, which are very hard to heal. And here we are with our program, Scars to Heal, in which we will be discussing the social issues faced by the youth these days, and we'll look for their solutions with the hope to heal your scars. आज जिस टॉपिक पे हम डिस्कशन करेंगे वो है बॉडी शेमिंग। बॉडी शेमिंग हमारी सोसाइटी का बहुत बड़ा इशू है। हम आज उस बॉडी शेमिंग के स्पेसिफिकली कॉजेस और लोगों के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यूज और सोल्यूशन, कैसे हम सोसाइटी को बॉडी शेमिंग को सोसाइटी से खत्म किया जाए, उसको डिस्कस करेंगे। बॉडी शेमिंग बेसिकली अपने आप को, अपने आप की या किसी और की फिजिकल अपीयरेंस की कुछ एस्पेक्ट्स को क्रिटिसाइज और जज करना है, which often leads to cruel cycle of judgments and criticism. क्या आपने कभी सोचा है कि how often we are told to change our appearances? मैगजीन्स हो, मॉर्निंग शोज हो, यूट्यूब चैनल्स हो, कुछ भी, we are offered tips constantly how to look slimmer in days, how to lose weight in few days, or how to lose weight instantly, or how to hide our imperfections. हाँ, ये किसी extent तक सही है, but as an individual we have emphasized this so much upon ourselves that we think of nothing but to change ourselves and to reach that specific physical appearance which does not even exist in our society. साइकोलॉजिस्ट और एकेडमिक्स जो कि मीडिया के इफेक्ट्स पर काम कर रहे हैं, उनका ये कहना है कि बॉडी शेमिंग हमेशा से हमारी सोसाइटी का बहुत बड़ा इशू रही है। However, with the invention of internet and social media platform, public commentary इतनी बढ़ गई है कि our society does not leave an individual without passing any judgments and criticism. और इसमें बॉडी शेमिंग पे बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस किया जा रहा है, and every other person is body shamed in our society. A question arises, why do people body shame each other, and why are we so worried about our own physical appearance? The simple answer to this question is that we have set up an ideal image society all around us, and media plays a huge role in this. We are in a race to reach the perfect ideal body experience, and we are behind the fake beauty that does not even exist. In this society, if you're tall, if you're short, if you're fat, if you're thin, it does not matter. You'll be the curse of this society, because the truth is that this fake beauty does not even exist. You'll never be able to reach the epitome of perfection because that does not even exist. Body shaming is not just fat shaming, it's skinny shaming as well. All around you, you may hear comments like, कितनी पतली हो गई हो, कुछ खाती नहीं हो, and then comments like, कितनी मोटी हो गई हो, जिम कब start करोगी, and so on. Such comments will surely turn a person into depression. And according to a survey, it is said that 83% of men are body shamed and 93% of women all around the world are body shamed. Someone truly said that a single comment can either make a person or break a person. Repetitive criticism or judgments can lead to poorer overall health, which includes eating disorders, digestive issues, and headaches, and even much more. But above that, a person loses his or her self-esteem and gets into depression. A person thinks of nothing but to reach that specific standard of beauty which can never be reached. And in the end, the person messes up his whole life or commits suicide. The question arises, how can we put an end to this all? Being an individual of our society, it's our task to look over this huge issue and find a solution for it. But सबसे पहले, you all should know that it does not matter if you're tall, if you're short, if you're skinny, or if you're fat. The thing that matters is that if you're good at your heart, you're beautiful. And your way of thinking tells us who you really are, not how you look like. Being an individual, हमारा सबसे बड़ा रोल ये होना चाहिए कि we look around people who are around us and tell them that they are beautiful. We should be spreading positivity and love around them. And if at some point you're at the verge of criticizing someone, just stop over there and think, will you like if someone is going to say the same about you? Because the truth is, you're not even near those physical appearances which are set up by our society because they do not even exist. Here we have a short clip of Priyanka Chopra, who out of many celebrities has been body shamed, and how she deals with it.
I don't think people even realize what it does to a girl's confidence, and it happened to me, and I was very emotionally distraught. I worked a lot on myself, taught myself how to be the best version of me, and now I don't give a shit, but at that time it really affected me. And the longest relationship you'll ever have in your life will be with you, so you better protect that.
In the end, मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी that you're beautiful the way you are. Spread love and spread positivity. Look for people who are around you and tell them that this fixed standard of beauty does not matter at all. The thing that matters all around us is the way we think and the way our character is. Live a successful life, be happy, let live. Thank you.